Hello everyone, welcome back. Now we would like to learn about the clear function in string. So we have one string called str here, and the string is hello. Before doing anything, we are printing this string here, str, and we expect to print hello. However, we can make the screen clear and empty and like it has nothing in it using a clear function in empty parentheses. Then after cleaning, we see that the string is empty. Let me run. Okay, so here we see that before cleaning, it is hello. We were printing it in here. And then we are clearing the string. And then we are saying after printing, we have nothing here because after this part, we are making the string clear. So using the clear function, we can make the string clear and empty. Thank you for watching.